Hey, what's going on? So, today I'm gonna be doing a knife review. It's the KG pocket knife, the one I did the unboxing of. I've used this knife a bunch of times. One of my favorite knives so far. This little piece, the lock in, so when you press it in, well, when you press out like that to fold the knife, it's a little tight, but maybe it still has to get broken in, and maybe after a while that'll get loosened up a little bit so it won't be so tight. Still, it still weighs a salt. So let me go find a piece of paper. I'll be right back. I'm back with a piece of paper. So we're gonna see just how soft this still is. Still weighs a salt. Still weighs a salt, so but I highly recommend the KG pocket knife. Where you can find it is, I'll leave a link in below. It'll be in this descriptions. It's gonna be Kendall Gray1 shop. He's a famous YouTuber. This is a great person. He's a very outdoor kind of man. When it comes to hunting, fishing, anything outdoors, he's all about. That's why I want to make my channel about a little bit, because I like hunting, I like fishing. I'm a very outdoors kind of man. So the knives, they are a little expensive, but if you buy one, you'll be happy with it. And he lives all the way up in Kentucky, and I live in North Florida. So I live up here in Florida. So, yeah, but this is just a little knife review. This is the copperhead one. They have it on both sides. I'm not too sure what this is. I'm guessing it's like a little grass breaker. But if anyone knows what this is, right here, feel free to comment below. So until then, I'll catch you guys next time.